Success is not just a destination, but also the journey that leads us there. And it's the strategies we employ that pave the way towards achieving our dreams. What is success? Well, for some, success might mean achieving a specific career goal, or earning a certain amount of money. For others, success means personal fulfillment and happiness. Having a loving family, a meaningful relationship, maintaining good health, or contributing to their community. Success can mean different things to different people, depending on their individual values, goals, and perspectives. A successful life generally refers to a sense of fulfillment, purpose, and satisfaction in a person's personal and professional pursuits. What are the keys to success? If a person holds the keys to a successful life, it means they've gained valuable insights, knowledge, and strategies that will guide them toward their desired goals. It means they understand what they need to do to overcome obstacles, make progress, and realize their dreams. The 5 success strategies featured in this program and in the 5 Success Strategies workshop on the Zygon Mind Power App have been employed by successful people to achieve their ideal lives. And by embracing them consistently, you'll create and cultivate a life filled with success. Meet Diana, a young woman with a big dream to establish her own successful online business. The first success strategy is positive self-worth and self-expectancy. Diana believed in her unique product idea and her ability to market it. She was convinced that she could carve a niche for herself in the world of e-commerce. However, every path to success has its share of setbacks. Diana faced her own, but she understands that these negative circumstances are temporary. She views each setback as a chance to learn and grow. Despite the challenges, Diana stays in motion. She is always learning, adapting, and creating new opportunities to enhance her business and reach more customers. Success is rarely achieved alone. Knowing this, Diana assembled a group of people who genuinely supported and believed in her goals. Her team, with their different viewpoints, ongoing encouragement, and useful feedback, became a crucial part of her success journey. And Diana makes time each day to practice gratitude. She appreciates every customer and every milestone, knowing they play key roles in her journey towards success. Meet Jerome. Jerome is determined to succeed in the world of cryptocurrency trading. The first success strategy is positive self-worth and self-expectancy. Despite the volatility of the market and the skepticism of others, Jerome believes in his abilities and knowledge. He has faith in his strategies. However, like all journeys, the road to success has many hurdles. But Jerome sees these not as stumbling blocks, but temporary challenges. Every setback is viewed through the lens of opportunity, an occasion to learn, adjust, and evolve. Despite the ups and downs, Jerome stays in motion. He is always learning, adapting, and seeking opportunities to refine his strategies and expand his portfolio. And success is rarely a solitary journey. Jerome surrounds himself with people who support and believe in his goals. They provide him with new perspective and unwavering support. And Jerome embraces gratitude as a fundamental part of his life. He cherishes each successful trade, not merely as a win, but as a testament to his progress. Jerome understands that every moment, whether marked by triumph or trial, plays an essential role in shaping his path to success. Emily is an adventurer. Her dream is to traverse some of the toughest terrain on Earth. The first success strategy is positive self-worth and self-expectancy. Despite the physical and mental challenges of her chosen path, Emily believes in her strength and endurance. She is convinced she can conquer the most daunting peaks and endure the harshest climates. However, every path to success has its share of setbacks, and Emily has faced her own, but she understands that these negative circumstances are temporary. She views each setback as a chance to learn and grow stronger. Emily stays in motion. She is always learning, adapting, and seeking new opportunities to test her limits. Success is rarely a solitary journey. Emily surrounds herself with people who support and believe in her goals. Their insights, encouragement, and companionship are invaluable on her road to achieving her dreams. Throughout the ebbs and flows of her journey, Emily ensures she maintains a practice of gratitude. She finds value in every ascent, knowing that each experience, no matter how insignificant it may seem, is a crucial part of her life. And so, through self-belief, resilience, continuous action, support, and gratitude, Emily proves how each one of us can rise above adversities and achieve our dreams. Employing the 5 success strategies will create a pathway to your success. These strategies offer a powerful framework for personal and professional development, and by embracing them consistently, you'll create and cultivate a life filled with success. To learn more about the 5 success strategies and how you can make them part of your own success story, go to the 5 Success Strategies workshop on the Zygon app and begin your journey. Enjoy.